Welcome to a quick demo of InReply, a simple AI tool that helps you write better comments on LinkedIn. If you are someone who wants to stay active on LinkedIn but doesn't always have the time or the words, Reply got you covered. Okay, uh, let me show you how it works. First, install the Chrome extension. So once it's done, what we can do is we can pin this extension on top so it's easy to find. Now head over to LinkedIn and refresh the page. So now you will notice generate button. So let me find a post where I want to post the comment. So this seems nice. Okay, click on the generate button and boom, here you have 3 comment suggestions. As you can see, you can pick and choose from the comment tone as well. So right now the default is the professional, but for instance I want a friendly comment here. So I click the tone and it will give me 3 suggested friendly comments with respect to the context of the post. I like this comment here. I'll click on it. It will copy the comment. I'll click on the comment button and I will paste it here. I can obviously edit this comment here. I'll click post. So it's that easy. And just so you know, it doesn't auto post. That's to keep things in line with LinkedIn rules. The best part is it's totally free. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.